Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. A new video here on Let's Walk Around Stockholm. Another day, another walk, you know it. Walk 495 people. We are getting there, Just 5 walks left. So get ready for the live stream number 500. Very soon I will announce it properly on my channel in a little short video later on. Anyways, where are we? In Stockholm, duh. Well, technically speaking, we're not in Stockholm, we're in Solna. Because Solna is actually a city of its own within a city. Both Sundbyberg and Solna are two different cities. They even have their own city tax and everything. So it's not a suburb, it's not the city, it's a city within a city, which is quite cool. I've did quite a few walks in Solna already, but mostly, you know, around Solna, Station, Råsunda. And to be honest with you, I'm not even really sure what this neighborhood is called. But it's quite close to Solna Center, and Parken is basically just behind us. So maybe it's actually called Goedholmen or something like that. Not completely sure, but it doesn't matter, folks. Let's just explore the neighborhood and let's see what we will find. I hope everyone's having a great day and had a great weekend as well, not unimportantly. So let's see, because here's the main road. Can I go under? Yes, I can. Awesome. So yeah, Goedholmen is basically over there. It's a little bit rainy, but it's not so cold actually. It's quite comfortable. Oh, this is called Hanneberg, people. Alright. Huvudstad that way, Ulfsunda, Sundbyberg, Hanneberg. I'm not gonna lie, I've never heard of Hanneberg. Never. That doesn't mean I've never been there, because I probably have. But Hanneberg doesn't ring a bell to me. Let's see, let's check it out. Under the tunnel. Hanneberg sounds quite funny. I know Tureberg, that's where I live in Sollentuna, but alright, funny little building here in the middle of the street, basically. Gräsmattan, as we say. Okay, what has happened over there? I see some window crossed. Oh, it's quite funny. Some small little gardens here on the bottom floor. In Hanneberg, the place to be in Solna. Not really, but it doesn't matter. We're still having fun, folks. So yeah, this street is called Goedholmsvägen. Yeah, Goedholmsvägen. It's a bit hard to read and to walk and to film at the same time sometimes. Alright. You've got a school. Yeah, I remember this street here. I've been here actually once with Olof. Now I remember. So I can either go to the left, to the right, or straight ahead. Solna Center is over there. You know what? Let's go into the neighborhood here. Let's go wild and crazy here in Solna. Squirrel land. When you see this, you know they're squirrels, right? Nice, mature, big trees here. Cool. In Hanneberg. So berg means mountain. So yeah, it's a bit hilly here. It goes a bit up and down. That's quite nice. But actually the whole Solna area around Solna Center, there's a lot of patches of green everywhere actually. It's quite cool. So there's a lot of new build, a lot of old build, but there's also especially a lot of green in between, as you can see here. So it's a very comfortable, high living standard, I would say, here in Solna. In most areas anyways. There's a few you know, less appealing areas as well, of course. You know, more around it, like, for example, Rissne, Hallonbergen, or places like that. They're not as cool as here, central Solna. And then you also have Hagalund over there, which is kind of somewhere in between, I would say. I used to live there, so. But you know how I roll. I used to live everywhere. That's what I did a lot. Moving around in Stockholm from one place to another. Can I cross this or? Oh yeah, I can. Oh, this is nice. This is a playground. I don't have so much time today because actually I have tvättstugan at 1 o'clock. Gotta do some washing again, people. I think this is like a preschool or something, but and a nice little. Okay, people. Word of the day: rutschkana. A slide. Rutschkana. That's the word of the day. We can go down like that. It's the second time I say we in one video. Too much weeing. We is my excited sound. We. Oh, this is pretty cool. Like an arch. Right, a T-split here. Let's see where I can go. Not sure what this is called. Okay, that's not really a surprise, is it? Hanneberg Park in Hanneberg. I could have guessed that. Am I going down or up? Where am I going? That's the question. Let's go here. Maybe I can go in here in between. I must say, Hanneberg is cooler than I thought. Look at all those nice trees here. I just randomly went somewhere in Solna. I was like, yeah, just when you think you've seen it all in Solna, you discover Hanneberg, people. Which is basically located just behind Solna Center. So I hope I'm going to end up there. I think it's down there somewhere. It's very hilly, so now I know where the name comes from. Can I go here down or should I go the same way as they are? Let's have a look. No. Let's go down. Let's follow the rest of the pack. Nice. See what I mean? With squirrel land. It's very green here. So, how's the chat gang doing? Oh, someone calling me? Wait. I don't like it when people calling in my walk. I'm walking, people. No time for this stuff. Never been here before. Looks nice. Oi, a fountain! Yes. Gotta love a good old fountain. Oh wait, we're straight in. Solna Center is right here. Funny. Check this out. The famous sign, "Ej vinterunderhåll," means no maintenance during winter. In other words, if you fall off the stairs, it's your freaking problem. Oh, nice fountain. Some artwork. Cool. What does it say? Erik Grate. Svarguden. Nah. Not sure if I like that. But you know how I roll. I say that about every modern art piece. Just not my thing. So, walk 500. I'm excited. I'm so excited about it that I can hardly think about these walks I'm doing right now. And I know you're wondering, Daniel, will there be champagne on walk 500? Yes, of course. Because walk 365, I had beer, right? I drank a little beer. But no. For walk 500, I'm stepping it up. Bubble. We want bubbly stuff. So yeah. I mean, I'm still Dutch, so I'll get something cheap, but something that is bubbly. So probably not real champagne, who cares? Sushi King. You guys asked for the references to the sushi and the pizza. There it is, folks. So we're basically walking to, what's it called? Solna Center. And I know what I can do. I can walk. Yes, I will go down into the subway because I don't feel like going into the mall. Actually, and I have to go to Solna train station, not the subway. So let's see how that goes. So here we've got the square. Nice. And here the entrance, main entrance of the mall. But again, that's not where we're going. It's not where we're going. Let me find my metro cards here. Solna Center Metro. Let's go. Yeah, and then I walk to the other side, and that's where I end up the video. Oh, cool. I did not plan it like that, but you know, that's how it goes. So I'm actually not taking the metro, I'm just passing through. Cool. This one is a really deep one actually. I like the red color here. Always thinks it looks really cool, and when I look through my camera on the escalator going down, it's really like you're floating kind of, because the stabilizer keeps it straight and then it goes wee. Oh, did I just say wee again? People, I mean, my mood is too good. I gotta stop doing this. The weeing has to stop. Well, better than booing, I guess. But alrighty, let's go across the tracks here to the other side. This is nice. Look how cool this looks. Cool station. Feels like I'm doing quite a few stations lately. It's also because the weather is getting a bit bad, and then once the weather gets really bad, like snow kind of thing, then I will go into or the snow type of walks. Maybe a few dark ones, and also shopping malls back. We all know I'm a bit shopping mall tired from last winter, but don't worry. We do a good old Mall of Scandinavia tour in the winter, with some Christmas lighting and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Okay. So, where am I going? This way, all the way across. Feels like I'm walking slightly on the fast side again, but that's also because I have my washing time in 35 minutes, and I still have to take the train back home, and I have to walk home from Solna station. So if I'm rushing, yeah, sorry, I am. It's because I am, for a change, in a rush. That usually doesn't happen to me so often, but... Whoa, this looks so cool, man. I love the Stockholm Metro. Look how lovely this looks. Here, a big elk as well. Can never get enough of it. I've been here 15 years. I just want to look at more and more and more at it. Back, I would say we're like 30, 40 meters under here. Feels like it anyway. All right. Solna Station. Which way am I going? To the right, I think. Whee. All right, let's go out. Oh no, it's raining. Blah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's raining really, really bad. So you know what? I have to take the train anyway. This walk is a little bit shorter than normal. Sorry for a little bit of a rush, but I still hope you enjoyed it. Thumbs up. I hope you thumbs up as well. And I see you tomorrow on a new adventure. Bye bye.